Black 86 up to car factory high. I've got to get the mission sorted out, so I'm going to pull it apart and see what's wrong with it. So yeah, this car's fucking bouncy, eh? Once I get it back, I'll fucking hell, pull out the rear springs, put the old ones back in, raise the front. Hopefully by then I can find some 15s. If not, I'll just do 860 with the old rear springs. There's surprisingly not many T37V listed for sale. I thought they'd be everywhere, but unfortunately none, so I'll keep an eye out, hopefully find something soon. Yeah, I gotta sort this car out. I need to make it handle like I did before. Need to do some good driving again. Quite fumey in here. I coursed out quite a few times at Bihoku and the car bottomed out all of those times, and then when I threw it off the track and the tyre debeaded when they dragged me back onto the track, it was scraping a lot, so likely put a hole in the exhaust, so I'll get that sorted out at the same time. Just arrived at the car factory, I dropped the car off. Few cool cars. This thing's nice, eh? You can't beat black and gold, black and bronze. Really nice Senki. So yeah, hopefully be done in a week or so. Come pick her up again. See you soon. Alright, all fixed. Alright, all done. That didn't take long. Less than a week. I was talking to Naoki-san when I was there. He said that the shift fork and the second gear synchro were both worn, and that was causing it to pop out of gear or not engage. So that's all fixed. He also said that the gears are root 6 inside the gearbox, so he said be very careful because if you do break them, you won't be able to replace them. But he said the gears are fine, so that's good to know. This car was built in 2003, so who knows how long that box has been driven on. So yeah, now she's all overhauled and good. Do a bit of driving and then change the oil. But yeah, keen. I'm gonna head home now. Bloody love this car. So good, eh? this road sucks. Alright, a few little things to do today. Gonna change the rear springs, raise the front, take off the front pipe to replace it because it's cracked, and pull off the side skirts. So yeah, no more low on 14s. It'll be high on 14s for now until I can find some 15s to run. I've got a pair of HA mesh. Just trying to find another pair to match for YZ. If not, I might run the 15s on the rear and keep the 14s on the front. Okay, get to it. Alright, so yeah, the green springs came in the car. I cut about 10mm off them a while ago, but they've pretty much been what I've run the whole time until I lowered it on these craft springs. So yeah, bit of difference between them. So I'll throw the green ones back in now. Alright, old rear springs in. Raise the front up to match, and got the old front pipe out. Fucking sketchy, innit? Get a new one of these. Alright, let's raise her up. Fucking keen to get some proper fenders on this thing, eh? Like, so sunk. Sucks. Yeah, soon. Alright, done for the day. It's a familiar sight, isn't it? Yeah, pulled the front pipe out, raised the front 30mm. Probably went a little bit too much. That's alright. Put the old springs back in the rear. I got to do some driving, do some gear changes, and then change the gearbox oil. So I'll see how the suspension sits after that. Maybe drop the front a little bit. Yeah, that's about it for today. Yeah, get some more stuff done soon. Alright, new front pipe in. Thanks, Killian. Sounds good, no more leaks. Almost ready for 86 day. Alright, good morning. Afternoon, actually. It's bloody hot these days in Japan. Brutal. Yeah, it's been a while between filming. As most of you probably know, I decided to quit Stacked. I negotiated a job where I'll only be working 4 days a week, driving trucks, picking up cars from auction, which is my favourite thing to do. So that's good. I started there on Monday. Today's Thursday. 86 days on Saturday, so I've got a few things to do. We're heading up to Astro Tools now. Need to buy some tools, and then we're going to go down to Stacked. Ewan's nice enough to let me keep the 86 there for now until I move. I'm going to move a lot closer to the new job. So I've got to go change some tyres, change the gearbox oil, do a few small things. But yeah, we'll pick it up again when we get to Astro. Alright, Astro. Fucking hell. Let's have a look-see. Alright, we got this one here, 16k. Not the best quality obviously, but it'll do for now. What's this one? 22. Sockets, Allen keys, screwdrivers, hammer. A little power bar, wouldn't mind a big power bar. So power bar. And I need a hammer and chisel. Quite a lot of this. Gotta get this one instead. It's a little bit stronger. これはいいですか？It's a lot of effort for some tail lights, but I need them. Come back. Yeah, so that 11 actually belongs to a friend of mine. For him a bit over a year ago. He's been waiting for the borders to open back up so he can come and drive it, but it's nice enough to let me use his tail lights, headlights and corner lights for when I go to 11, just until I can find some for sale. Not that many for sale these days, which is quite surprising, but alright, so I got the 11 tails in. We're just heading down to Moscraft to go see Yusuke to just have a chat about fitting the run free to the 86. I just want to show him a few things, discuss how we're gonna put the rear overs on, and just turning up now. 11 tails make it look so different, eh? They're so much bigger. Definitely suits some cars with aero a lot more. The red lines, they're a lot smaller. They've got like a big black border. Yeah, keen. First step towards 11 done. Makes the wheels look bloody tiny, but yeah, Yusuke mainly deals in Hondas. Does a lot of bodywork and tuning cars for circuit racing. This is his personal Civic. It's like a perfect mix between street and track. Still got aircon. Full interior. Really nice, eh? Really cool car.
ちょっと化粧しようかな、まっちゃん。
これは美北
当たってる。
ちょっとアウト。パーフェクトはいらない。完璧じゃん。
あ、直したい。
いい。これはな、カットしてな。
ランフリーどこまで？
あ、これだけ。あ、ここだけ。フラントフェンダーとオーバーだけ。
オーバーはパテで。いらない。こう。ああ。いいっすね。ぐらいだけ。
It's so thick.
どこでカットする？これぐらい？
Stop to get some food and head back to Stacked. Change the rear tires, change the gearbox oil. Good to go. It's good to go see Yusuke. make a plan for the run free. Looks like the aero and the fenders is 14 days away, but the bonnet's going to be about 2 months, so I'll just borrow a bonnet from a friend until the run free bonnet turns up. I'm liking the look with the white lines though. I've just borrowed these for now. I've actually bought a set, but they're from yeah, where does he live? Maybe Aichi, I think. One of the mouse boys had a set of white lines I bought, so these are just until I manage to find time to go see him and get them. And then if I can't find any headlights and corner lights, I'll borrow from the same Levin I got the tails from, just until I can find a good set. But yeah, looking forward to it. Hopefully it should work a lot better being a Levin than a Truno in terms of having aero and 15s. Yeah, Kane looks good. Tail lights look so good. Kane for 11, so much bigger, eh? It's good. Oh yeah, got the gearbox oil draining now. So I'll throw some new oil in it, and then still got another pair of 595s. I'll run them in reverse at YZ, and then if I wear through them, I'll throw the Kenders on. Got some 15s just for now while I'm waiting for 37V. There, Kane. Almost done. Give her a bit of a wash. Yeah, my mate Mitch in Aussie bought this one. Turned up just before I left stacked. So good, eh? I think this is probably what the next car will be. 2-door Truno. I definitely prefer solid colour over two-tone, but interior wise and everything, I really want Apex. I want power windows, you know, power steer, power mirrors, aircon, maybe even sunroof. Yeah, this car's quite cool. Very good look. Just needs the factory rear wing and factory boot decals. Yeah, very good. 2-door Koki. Alright, all done. Looking all shiny again. Tyres fitted, gearbox oil done. Got the mesh in the back, jack, tools, all ready to go. So I go pick up a truck tomorrow after work, load her on, head to YZ. So that's all for this one. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.